Headworks designed for its bar screen multiple options for diverter chutes for screening's discharge. Please explain us how they work.
Most diverter chutes are actually part of the transition chute between the discharge chute of the bar screen and the inlet hopper of a washer compactor or conveyor. In this illustration, you can see where the back side of the diverter chute is lifted by a handle that swings this plate up against the discharge chute of the bar screen. Screenings coming off of the bar screen slide down this plate and are discharged to a container or other receptacle alongside the equipment. This transition chute with the diverter chute built in allows screenings to discharge into a sluice trough, or if the sluice trough is out of service, allows the screenings to be discharged to the side of the sluice trough into the dumpsters that you see along the back side of the wall. The handle is in the up position in position 1 when the equipment is closed, and raised to position 2 that swings the plate of the diverter chute up against the discharge chute of the bar screen, allowing screenings to fall out into the dumpster position behind the sluice trough. There is an extension plate that is attached to this particular chute to guide the screenings over and into the discharge chute and not fall on the floor. This is another illustration of a manually actuated diverter chute, where the plate on the back of the diverter chute again swings inward towards the discharge chute of the bar screen and allows screenings to slide off of this plate off to the side from the conveyor that is under the bar screen discharge. This style of discharge chute is used to divert screenings from the bar screen into a receptacle next to the bar screen and not allow those screenings to pass into a grinder that is used in the headworks process at this particular facility. This is to keep the grinder from being jammed in conditions where lots of rocks and stones are present in the flow. The diverter shown in this photograph is not used to divert screenings away from the equipment, but is merely used to select which screw conveyor screenings from the bar screen are diverted to. This particular diverter chute is pneumatically actuated to select conveyor number 1 or conveyor number 2. In this application, we have 2 types of diverter chutes. One diverter chute is to direct the screenings away from the screw conveyors, and the other diverter chute is to direct the screenings to either conveyor number 1 or conveyor number 2. These dual shaftless conveyors are positioned behind 3 very large bar screens, and this gives the plant the flexibility to either divert screenings off to the ground or into a container next to the conveyors, or to select between the first conveyor or the second conveyor to continue processing screenings.